Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video from Backyard Jeeping. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. As you can see through the thumbnail, the box is completely messed up. Hopefully the goodies that I got inside the box are, good. They are from Dirtbound Off-Road. No, it's not a sponsored video. I ordered these products a couple months ago. They just got delivered. And I'm hoping that they are not messed up from the state of the way this box looks that UPS had dropped off. I'll get into a little bit more detail later in the video about it as we do the unboxing. And right now, I just need to go get some caffeine. I had a long night working on the website. So yeah, I'm going to run down to the store, get some caffeine, and then we'll get into this unboxing. Just like that, we are back. 1 second for you was actually like an hour for me because I had some other errands I had to run. So let me go ahead and show you guys, what's going on here. This is the box. As you can see, it is all kinds of messed up. All the way down to the bottom right there. Side here. Up top there, you can really see it poking out. Now, whenever I got home, the box was actually flipped. Hold on 1 second. The box was actually like this, leaned up against my wall. So that's what I saw on my wall. I was like, yeah, my package. Of course, I was tracking it online and everything. So I was like, yeah, my package. Then I go to take it off my wall, and that's, that's what I see. And my neighbor, he was like, yeah, man, the UPS guy literally just slapped it off of his truck, pushed it off of his truck. Said it hit the ground. He drug it up my driveway, drug it up my steps right here, down my sidewalk, drug it up the steps of my front porch, and then just leaned it up against the wall and left. So, UPS, you guys, y'all need to do better, man. That's not cool. Especially when you've been waiting a couple months for a package to come that you've really been wanting, and that's what you get. So hopefully it's not damaged on the inside. Of course, I mean, it's going to be painted anyways, but I just hope it's not damaged to where I have to get in contact with Dirtbound and like, hey, UPS destroyed the package. Can you guys send me another one, and then wait even longer before I can get the Jeep done? So, all right, guys, we got the unboxing of the destroyed Dirtbound Off-Road package. Hopefully the goodies inside isn't destroyed. Got my energy here. Got the serotonin flowing. Yeah, let's get a good old, look at that, good old fresh paint to cover that up. Let's go ahead and get this box open again. This is from Dirtbound Off-Road. It is not a sponsor. I paid good money for this stuff. UPS destroyed it. Well, destroyed the box. I'm not going to say they destroyed the package yet, but they destroyed the box. Hopefully the stuff that's inside is not messed up. So yeah, let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open. Cheap little box cutter here because I don't know where my knife is right now. But hey, it gets the job done, right? Can't do any more damage than what's already done, right? Alright. Let's fold this up out of our way. See what we have here is some Dirtbound Off-Road. Look at all that. Hopefully this good old stuff here is what saved it. What we have here is some Dirtbound Off-Road Fender flares and Fender armor. So there is the steel Fender flares and Fender armor. Let's go ahead and take those out of the box here and give her a look. Oh yeah, check that out. No damage to this one. nice and good. Welds are on point. I think that was a machine weld. Got the good old Dirtbound Off-Road logo right there. Man, these things are nice. Heavy duty. I'm liking that. Once I get done taking everything out, I can get you guys off the tripod and get you a closer look. Yep, so this would be the passenger side fender here. I'll sit you off to the side. Here is the driver. Oh no, wait, sorry. This is the passenger rear fender here. Man, that's nice. Nice heavy duty steel. And again, Dirtbound Off-Road logo. And this does come out a little bit to cover the sides of your rear lights. That's pretty neat. You can also get, you know, the aftermarket tail light covers as well. But this comes out, you know, just a little bit just to cover the sides of it. But that's beautiful there. That one's not damaged. Good. Nice good welds on that one as well. Two off to the side. Nice. And then I believe, yep, here is the hardware here. I'll open that in a second once we get you down for a closer look. Now we're getting to the parts that was on the back side of the box that took some damage here. Let's see how it turned out. This is the driver's side here. Now that's just my information. Why they slapped that on there like that, I don't know. But we gotta clean it with some good old cleaner anyway, so that'll come right off before we paint them. Now I am just going to use a truck bed liner on it. See if I can. Hey, when in doubt, electrical tape it out, right? Another Dirtbound Off-Road logo there. This is the driver front. No damage to this one. It looks nice and good. Awesome welds on that one also. Sit you off to the side. Let's go ahead and let's go take the info of this one. Side has a cutout. Dirtbound Off-Road logo on that one also. Nice. No damage. I mean, heck, these things are heavy duty, so I don't say him dropping them on the ground like that would hurt these bad boys. Let me go ahead and move this box out of the way, get these set up here so we can get you a closer look. Alright guys, let's get you a little closer view here. There's that good old Dirtbound logo there, the DB. Nice welds up in there. Not sure who does the welding over there, but heck yeah. This is what I was saying when in doubt. Electrical tape it out. Just to cover up the information there. There's the cutout for the gas. Good old DB logo there. These things are nice, man. I mean, they're decent thickness. They'll have a little bit of, you know, of course it's going to suck into the sheet metal, you know, that's on the body here for the fenders. I'm thinking that I was mistaken. I don't think I ordered the one that sticks out a little bit to cover the tail lights. Not exactly sure. It doesn't look like I did because of the way the bolt holes are, but I mean it might stick out just a hair, or it might just go perfectly with the body line. I might have ordered the just a standard one. But yeah, man, I'm digging them. I can't wait to get these things thrown on there and painted up, cleaned up, thrown on there, and let's go abuse them. I'm hoping that the top part here, that's what it looks like standing up. I'm hoping that the top part there is thick enough to be able to sit my beer there, sit my cold drink. DB logo. Alright, let me move this one off to the side and let's get into this hardware box here. Sit you right there. Set this tripod up. Alright guys, we got the hardware right here. Hardware enclosed. Let me go ahead and rip this open. Now I know there's going to be something in here that I do not want to see. And of course we got that good old Dirt Bound Off-Road sticker, made in the USA. That's going to add some horsepower to the Jeep right there. Alright, let's see here. This is the front hardware here. That's the front there. This must be what I didn't want to see. Get that out of the way. Yep, I knew it. This is the rear. Hey, you might be asking, why didn't you want to see that? Maybe because these are nut rivets, and I know Jonathan, we both absolutely hate nut rivets. Now, you might be wondering why. Why do you guys hate nut rivets over there at Backyard Jeeping? Because we had to use these little things right here whenever we did the Rusty's Off-Road rear corner cut bumper and rear corner cut panels. These are really good for sheet metal. It's a whole lot more durable than just flat out screwing into it, putting your nuts and bolts on it. So the way these works is, now they have a nut rivet gun, which I'm going to go get for this job. I'm tired of using this piece of junk right here. This is why I hate the nut rivets. It'll be a whole lot better once I get the actual tool. And the way they work is, so you drill your hole into your sheet metal, and then you put this onto the tool like this. It goes into the drilled hole. Then you get a wrench on there, a socket on there. I don't recommend to use an impact or a drill because this can strip. So you put it in there and then you just tighten it, slowly tighten it up. And then what happens is the end right here, it all bunches up, flares up, gives it a really nice, snug, tight fit. Then you just unscrew it. Let me open up this bag here. You unscrew it, and then you put your bolt in. Focus. Just like that. And then, well, of course, you can screw it all the way in. And then you put your bolt in like that, and it's snug. So that's for the rear, which I like it, but then again, I don't. But the nut rivet gun at Harbor Freight should help me out. Yes, I shop at Harbor Freight. I think if you don't, you should. But that's going to help me out a little bit there because I don't feel like taking out the plastic trim pieces on the rear just to be able to put a nut on the back of the screws, on the back of the bolt. And then, these are for the front, which is a whole lot easier to be able to put the washer and the nut on. Now, I had a few messages on my Instagram. Again, you know, follow the Instagram at Backyard Jeeping on Facebook and Instagram. Let me get all this situated here so I can talk to you guys. Now, I had somebody ask me, they were like, hey man, how's the Jeep doing? You know, we haven't really seen any videos of you out driving it and stuff. Well, there's a reason behind that. I have been pulled over. Oh yeah, you like that? Might do a story time on that there. A little vlog story time. Look, I'm on TikTok. A story time of that right there. But the reason why I haven't is because I've probably been pulled over, I'd say at least 5 times, because my tires stick out too far. Since doing the Rusty's off-road, you know, the rear corner cut kit there, I don't have the plastic fenders on here anymore. I had the off-brand bushwhacker that you get off Amazon or eBay for like $100. I didn't want to cut them because, you know, what you can do is you can cut the backside to, you know, fit perfectly with it, so it's not hanging down. I didn't want to cut them because my, you know, Jonathan was wanting to take them for his Jeep, and he's not doing the rear cut on his. I had to because mine was rotted out. But I didn't want to cut them so that way he could use them. So I've just been running without fender flares. Now, I don't know where you're from, but, you know, here in West Virginia, it just depends what cop pulls you over, what day it is, what time it is. Some of them, you know, I'll drive by some and they don't care. They just look and they just keep going. But I know I haven't gotten a ticket or anything, you know. It's just strictly been warnings, but it gets annoying after a while getting pulled over. So I haven't been driving it. Been waiting for these fenders to come in. So let me show you how far my tires stick out. Now, I think they look cool. I think it looks factory. I don't see the problem, but that is why I'm getting pulled over. They say that my tires stick out too far. And here's the bumper here. And then this is also steel. And that's what it looks like underneath. But yeah, that's the reason why I really haven't been driving old Big Booty Judy here. For that reason. But now we're going to get these fenders done so I can start daily driving this bad thing again. Don't get me wrong, I like driving my Chrysler, but I'm a Jeep guy, so that's what I plan on driving. But yeah, that was it, guys. You know, hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Hopefully, you know, it wasn't as cringy as the first video. Go back and look at that first video if you want to see the rock lights getting put on old Big Booty Judy here. But yeah, please like, subscribe, share.